Hey guys, it's Deepica, and I'm attempting not to flash you, but today I am going to be sharing a Q&A get ready with me testing new products video. And subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so, please. Let's get started. All right, putting my hair up, let's do this. I wish Kylie was here, man. I love getting ready with Kylie. I'm gonna test, this is from Wander Beauty, the Nude Illusion Liquid Foundation. You know, I would say my favorite thing to do, which I don't spend enough time doing these days, is just literally playing with makeup. That's how I got started in this whole industry anyways. Like, I was like that girl growing up in Texas who just like dreamt of being in this industry. Life has just gotten so busy, and I've been trying to do a lot of things that I don't take time to play with makeup as much. So if I'm just gonna get ready, why not get ready with you guys and test this out? Okay, Wander. Another update in my life since we haven't chatted in a while. Stopped getting my nails done. It was kind of unsanitary. It was starting to gross me out, and I was like, Deepica, you need to adult and be a woman that feels confident in her nails. Maybe stop biting them. You're almost 30 years old. So this is the Dior Skin Forever Undercover. This is shade 40. Can I just say that Dior Beauty is 100% my favorite luxury brand right now, and I'm falling more and more in love with their products every time I use them. They're also teaching me about less is more. Laura Mercier was like the first luxury brand that taught me that, and now I feel like Dior is the level up version. Okay, I feel like my skin looks really good. I'm just saying. I feel like I'm always doing a 5-minute face, so to sit down and take the time to kind of do my makeup today feels weird, TBH. Okay, I'm using this IT Cosmetics Pores No More to set. I really never bake my face. I don't really know what I'm doing. You know what I usually do? I just take a powder and lightly like brush it over under my eyes. I guess I'll let that bake for a second and do my brows. Lately for my brows, I've really just been taking like the Benefit Gel. I really get my brows done because it's a lot of work. Okay, let me see some questions. Saira Noir, Sairanwar. Where do you see yourself in 5 years? Love you. I love you too. I hope in 5 years from now, I have the beauty brand of my dreams. I at least am dating or attempting to date somebody who makes me happy, and hopefully have a little deeps. I would love a little girl. I would love, love, love a little girl. Makes me so happy thinking about that. So hopefully that's what happens in 5 years. And still living in LA because I love it here. All right, let's see what this baking sitcho nets out to. This is a translucent color. I love IT Cosmetics, man. It's a good brand. I'm not mad at that. Do a little contour action with this Nude Sticks Nudies Tinted Blur Stick. It's my go-to. Nothing I've gotten in from brands I like more than this one. I just do it at the corner, then I go over it with a powder. Okay, Sheeny Varma asked, what is the first thing in the morning you can tell yourself to motivate you? That is such a good question. By the way, I'm about to use this MAC palette to contour. I struggle, and I have been struggling with morning routines and like waking up and not having the first thing I do be picking up my phone and working. So for me specifically at this point in my life, I tell myself to wake up and take care of my health. Getting out of bed, brushing my teeth, and like breathing for a minute. I literally just put a treadmill in my room, not kidding. But to motivate myself, I would say that's not something I have to focus on. If anything, I'm a weirdo and have the problem of being too career motivated and not enough focus on my self-care. My career can't be anything unless I am in my best health and best condition. You know that song, I Was Here, Beyonce? That's a great one to listen to when you're like trying to figure out what your purpose in this world is. Like, I've been like getting a little like philosophical these days. I've just been way more about like, what is my purpose on this earth? Like, what do I want to be remembered for? And the first thing I tell myself is I want to be remembered for making a difference and making people feel good about themselves and being a kind person. What motivates me every day is to say that I want to leave my footprint in this sand. That's a lyric from the Beyonce song. For me, I would say what motivates me and keeps me going is knowing that I have a purpose I want to fulfill in this world. Told you, I'm getting deep these days, but I really, 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 truly do feel that way. I feel like that was a really long-winded answer, but this blush is pretty. Did I go overboard? Whatever. I'm gonna use a little bit of the medium deep mineral skin finish from MAC. MAC is always and forever going to be a go-to of mine. Always and forever. Always. Okay, back to being the girl who doesn't know how to do her eyes. I just want like an all-over shimmer. All right, I'm gonna use this Morphe palette I just got. It is their artistry palette. I'm far from an artist, but they're super pigmented. I'm gonna use this goldy shimmer right here because I'm gonna be wearing a red lip today. I feel like I'm just gonna use my finger because it's super pigmented. Holy pigment, okay. Wow. T-Rox101 asks, are you going to be making any more dance videos? You guys, I'm not a dancer, but I think that's also why it like makes it fun. Like I almost want to do things that like are not my strength just for the F of it and like to make fun of myself because like I'm not good, and I still think it's literally hilarious that video of me dancing at my sister's wedding has 2 million views. I'm down to do more dance videos. I need to talk to Poonam and Priyanka about this. We've been talking about doing a collab for a while and it just hasn't happened, so hopefully soon. I just like don't even know what to do when I'm like trying to do a lot of makeup. Like what, now what? What do I do? Should I put some eyeliner on? Sure, let's do eyeliner. I don't know. What I do know is I'm gonna wear this Bobbi Brown lip because I'm like excited to try it. So I'm trying to like just plan a look around that. Come say hi.
Who's that?
My camera.
Oh.
My YouTube fam. The garage is open, so excuse the exposure. Say hi, right there.
Hi. Can I run to my car really quick? I have coffee creamer in there. It's gonna get bad, huh?
In an hour? I hope everyone heard Kylie's freak out about her coffee creamer. Coffee Kylie is what her nickname should be. So here's my thing. I don't like the way liquid liner looks really that much right now. So what I've been doing is just taking a pencil liner, black one, and kind of doing a thin line at the top. Whenever I wear lashes, I don't like the way lashes look without anything at the top bordering it, because then I hate that divide you can see. And I'm oddly enough wearing lashes today. So somebody just asked an interesting question. Can we not use makeup and stay as we are? Absolutely. I can't say that enough. Like makeup is fun and it's meant to be a fun thing and it's supposed to make you feel great about yourself, and it's there to like accentuate the things you love about yourself. I don't think we should ever knock people who like makeup, including myself, but I don't think you should ever feel like you have to wear it. Absolutely not. It's so important that you feel comfortable in exactly what you look like as you are. And that takes a lot of time to get there, but you'll get there. You will get there, and it's gonna be an amazing feeling when you do. There she goes with her coffee creamer. You can't make this stuff up with Kylie. Like, I'm gonna take this contour product and put it in the crease just to like give a little dimension and make the goldish part pop a little more. I would really love if you ate your sandwich on screen with me.
Ew! There's like a trending thing now about watching people eat.
I know you discovered it through my mukbang with Cezanne. You didn't eat it?
I did, but like turkey should be cold.
The turkey with cheese should be warm. I usually do 6-inch wheat with turkey. What happens is I order something and then Kylie gets something and I'm always pissed I didn't get what she got. We love Subway. It's weird. Okay, I'm gonna try this Borghese Roma mascara. Never used it before. I've used the Borghese mud masks before, but never this mascara. Oh, that is lengthening. I think I'm gonna do a really light under eye because I'm doing, again, lashes and a red lip. I got this lash kit from Lily Lashes. Miami Lash Kit. It's one Miami 3D mink lash with the brush-on adhesive. I'm going to like someone's house for like a party later, so this feels like a perfect time to try these babies on, and I love that it comes with the glue. I am just nervous to use these because I am so sensitive to glue. Duo, I'm not sensitive to, so I'm just gonna use those just to be safe. It gets really bad. I get like dry spot in the corner of my eyes. It's not cute. So I suck at lashes like a lot. I'm not good at it. A tip I've learned through the years is making it so the glue sort of just like sits for a second before you apply it, so it kind of gets tacky. Hello glam. Lily's lashes always do that, man. They take you from like meh to like glamified. I'm so not glam, but you know. My eyes can't handle lashes. Ugh. I swear, ever since I got LASIK, they're a mess. All right, I'm gonna attempt just putting on this Bobbi Brown on its own, see what it looks like. Well, probably can't eat Subway after this. That is some high gloss, man. Wow. I'm just gonna go with it. Make my lips look bigger. I just look like I got injections, it's fine. Artist Couture. Yes, glow. Yes, 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 yes. So this is the final look. Red lip, gold shimmery eye, tested out some new products, answered some of your questions. I hope you guys liked this video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so. All the info is down below, and I will see you next time. Bye guys. Did I flash anyone? No. Great.